Back once more with more Ratchet and Clank. We're going to save this city that's overrun by vicious Protopets. Kind of Damosel. I almost kind of want to search up YouTube how many people have Let's Played this game and called it Damosel in Distress. I think I'd be the first. So, that plasma coil we got is very helpful for these because they explode everywhere. They don't take much to kill, but there is a fuck ton of them. And they do have people popping out trying to get rid of them, but they're also trying to get rid of you too. Such is life, right? Whoops. Oh wow. Oh yeah, stop it. Stop spawning. Oh. I'm already out of ammo for that. Bouncer! Show them your power! Boom! Bouncer's a cluster grenade. Basically. Fire, Jesus! This thing is horrible. Reload. Stop making more of you assholes. Yeah, these things. Oh, fuck. These things spawn like crazy, too. So you gotta watch out for them. We're just going to ruin everybody's mail here. It's only one question mark. Get your Protopet today. Oh, don't you boot me. Oh, so close. Soon, though. Got 4 bouncer ammo. Why is there just a giant... whatever. Ooh. Why are they breeding in mailboxes? Oh! Behold! The meteor gun! It sucks. Oh my god, wow. Jeez. Could you shoot them and not me, please? The lava gun at least was like what a real life flamethrower. This is just terrible. Stop fucking spawning like crazy. You asshole. Why aren't you firing? This thing has a terrible rate of fire, purely so that the frame rate doesn't just up the shit. All of you. It's not that this plan is difficult, it's just that these things never stop spawning. Why don't I use it? Oh man, was that guy's... yeah, that guy's legs are still trying to kick me. How nice. I realize things are bad. Please, stop stop shooting people that aren't Protopets. It's not helping. No. You do that. Stop it. Okay. Whoops. So got you. At least the Tesla shield does some pretty awesome damage. And it's protectable. It's pretty awesome. Oh, look at all these fruits. All these cereal boxes. Can't have that. Can't have that. What is... They're like... Oh god, I don't even know. Some rapper or something? I can't even... I want to call them Sugar Ray Flakes, but I'm pretty sure that's Suge Knight, maybe? God, I don't know. I think it's probably actually based off of one of the developers of the game. That's just hilarious. They're little corn pops with a face on them. So with the hover bomb gun, the Zodiac, and the Rhino 2, we're only missing one weapon. I forget which one it is. Oh, is that under weapons or gadgets? It's under gadgets. Hypnomatic, right. So, I don't know what that one is. This looks like a bank, what with the giant safes on the fucking wall for no good reason. Oh Jesus. Kick me. Try and kick me. The force of your kick will just be redirected back at you. Ooh. Jerks. Something that immediately came to mind the moment I saw this. Well, something I immediately remembered when I saw this. There's a platinum bolt right here. I mean, it's not that far of a jump. I'm sure there's some way to glitch it so you can do that. Oh, isn't downtown bank, so we just go right back up. Taking the scenic route, apparently. Yeah. Should probably pop the sinking ones up. They need experience too. Why would you have your balls just giant and invisible right behind the counter? Like if they ever have to put something in that... I don't know what that was about. Safety deposit. Save all the tourists in the bank. Really? Huh. Oh, these things. You want to be dealing with these things all the time. The jerk holes. Are you shooting at something I shouldn't be shooting at? Megacore, Megacore, Megacore. Do not forget who owns you. I don't know what that sound is, but please make it stop. Preferably soon. Also, Jack 2 poster. Naughty Dog and Insomniac did share an office. Is that supposed to open? Oh, got it. Hey, buddy. Really? I didn't see that. Huh. You can try and walk towards me, but it won't work. God, this Tesla barrier is indispensable. And I think we're almost done. You still got that Terminator, right? Don't forget. It's not like we did. That's why we put this in here, because we wanted to remind you still have that. Who's this guy?
You're getting sleepy. Very sleepy.
Oh, hey, Puppet Show.
You are getting very sleepy.
A customer. You, sir, look like someone who could use a hypnomatic.
Okay.
Just bring us the parts, and we'll make it for free.
For a fee. A very small fee.
We need one more hypnomatic part. Is this guy a turtle? Yeah, he's a turtle thing. So that was the other thing we needed to do. Or at least the thing we need to do here. I hate the next place. Alright. So now that we got that guy unlocked, we can head to Grelden. It's like Velden, Ratchet's home planet, because Angela might be a Lombax, or not. They've never given us a straight answer on that. Ugh. Although, in a way, it kind of makes sense. Ratchet is definitely inspired by, like, desert cats and stuff. And Angela seems a bit more, you know, like Snowcat based, but with probably the wrong kind of fur texture? Pattern? Pattern. That sounds good. So, what we have to do is we have to get moon crystals. That guy wants moon crystals to move that rock. And then more moon crystals for a hypnomatic part. Or we can go in the factory. Which is the shortcut to... God damn it, no, never mind.
You need the...
Fuck the factory. Fuck the factory. Shit. Got nothing. I don't know what that last weapon is. Let's head over to this rock.
Oh, man! It won't budge.
Violence is not the answer.
Really?
How do you
I've got an
move this
entire
rock?
game that says differently.
I am able.
And...
Patience, young one. For the rock to move, the forces of the universe must align.
So, can we make these forces align a little faster?
Ah, yes. The holistic resonance of moonstones may yet guide these wayward forces.
They're all natural. It's a moonstone. You got these things, which are Yetis, basically. Some of them. And they're assholes, and they take a couple of hits. Fucking rocket tube. And they also drop from an annoying ass thing that you can't get close to, which I will show you over here. This kind of asshole. Yeah, him. Lock onto him, please. Lock onto him. Ow. You were locked onto him. There he goes. You jump in that water, it's instant death. Like, seriously, whoever designed this level was apparently just like, let's make sure the game's at least another 2 hours longer. Fuck that guy. I mean, I'm sure he was an alright guy. Fuck him. Somewhere there's a run of going through all this place and getting all of the moon crystals in a single pass. It took the guy like an hour or so. It's ridiculous. I mean, I was kind of fed up enough with the desert. Which ended a lot sooner than I thought it would. But still, that was still too long. Also, look how much fucking damage they did. Crystal. Pop out, I know you're there. Fine. I'll collect this moon crystal. And then you will pop out. Thank you. Need that. Didn't even kill those guys. They got hit with the maximum nanotech explosion and it didn't kill them. Seriously, this place is the worst. The worst. Can I even jump in? No, it won't let me. It's probably for the best, actually. Yeah, Fuck this. Fuck all y'all. Too many of these guys pop out too. Ugh. Thank you. Fuck your ambush. I don't even know why I still have this one. I'm doing. Did they like up the damage of it or something? This thing might not be as terrible as I remember. Okay, so only 9. Nice.
Yes. Your arrival with the Moonstones is most fortuitous.
Oh boy.
For it is in this very moment that I am able to move the rock.
Oh, jeez.
Gee, what a coincidence.
Thank you, sir. That was most helpful.
Your gratitude is comforting, child.
Really?
I have also found a piece of something called a hypnomatic. You may have it in exchange for more Moonstones.
Wait, I thought you had no need for material possessions.
Please, do not lay your burdens upon me now. I am weary from lifting the rock, and I must rest.
What a cunt. Alright. For now, that's going to be it. Next, we're going to go into there, and then we have to unlock the rest of this whole shit. Woo! So we can get more Moonstones to get that hypnomatic part, which we need to continue on in the game. Whoops.
Hello.
Yes.
Ratchet.
Yeah, we've seen that already. Whoop. That button. See you guys next time.